In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a formula using your Google Sheets mobile app. So again, if you're working on a spreadsheet and you're using the mobile app and you want to start a formula, here's how to do it. In my example data right here, I have the revenue, days operated, and the avenue revenue per days of operation here on my 3 columns. For each column, I want to get the total. So what I'm going to do is to insert a formula to do it for me. So let me zoom in. There we have it. And in these 3 columns, at the bottom of each column, I want my total to be in. So what I'm going to do is to just type in total right here. Here in the formula bar, we can enter our text or our formula. For this one, I'm just going to enter my text, which is the word total. There we have it. Tap on the check mark, and there you go. I'm just going to quickly format this. And there we have it. So now again, I'm going to get the total by using a function called sum. And I'm going to enter my formula again here in the formula bar right here. Tap on that, and now we can start entering our formula. Now with any formula, you always start with the equal sign. So these symbols or expressions are already available for you to choose from right here. There we have it. Now we can start by putting in our function. That's going to be sum. Again, once you start typing your text, it will give you some suggestions right here. And the one that we want to use is the first one right here. There we have it. There's the formula or our syntax. So what I'm going to do is to just select my data right here. There you go. Those are my values. If we tap on the check mark right here, there we have it. We have the total for our revenue. Now let's try and do that again for this next cell right here. So again, just tap on the cell where you want to enter your formula. Tap on the formula bar right here at the bottom. Again, start with your equal sign. Type in the letters that will start your function. Again, you will have your suggestions right here. Now let's say I don't want to get the sum for this one. Let's say I want to get the average. How many days average have they been in operation? So here we have AV, and again, here are the suggested functions. We have the average right here, tap on it, and there you have it. Again, to enter the values, you can just select the cells right here, tap on it, drag it down, and there you go. Tap on the check mark on the right side, and there you have it. So here's our average days operated for the entire year, and the last one would be our average revenue per days of operation. Again, I just want to get a total, so that's going to be again the sum function. Tap on that cell, tap on the formula bar, start with your equal sign, type in sum, or just select it right there, select your data or your values, tap on the check mark, and there you have it. So we have successfully entered our formulas to compute for the total, for the average, and again for the total in our data set. So that's how you start a formula using your Google Sheets mobile app. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.